Hello students, units and measurement, units and measurement, lecture number 3, lecture number 3. Okay, I complete my last lecture. I complete the application of dimension analysis. First application or first analysis to find what conversion factor between same physical quantity but different system of units. Second application, to find correctness of the given physical equation. To find correctness of given physical इक्वेशन. दिलेल्या भौतिक समीकरणाचं इक्वेशन करेक्ट आहे, डायमेन्शनल करेक्ट आहे की नाही ते आपण चेक करायचं आहे. ओके, बघूया. टू फाइंड द करेक्टनेस ऑफ गिवन फिजिकल इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, द फर्स्ट कायनेमेटिकल इक्वेशन is given by which is the first kinematical equation. V is equal to u plus at, B is equal to u plus at. Then dimension of V, what is the dimension of V? That is what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1. This is the dimension of V. This is the equation number 1. Dimension of u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity. Dimension of u is what? Again L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1, equation number 2. And dimension of at, a is what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 2 into dimension t is what? T raised to 1. Then total dimension is what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1. This is the equation number 3. Students, the equation number 1, 2 and 3. What? Equation number 1, 2 and 3. There three equations are the dimensionally correct. Equation 1 चं बघा dimension correct, L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1 आहे. Equation 2 चं बघा L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1 dimension आहे. Equation 3 चं बघा L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1. Therefore what? Therefore the every term is dimensionally correct. The every term is a dimensionally correct. Therefore the given equation is dimensionally correct. The given equation is a dimensionally correct. Okay, student, please note the first example of the to find correctness of given physical equation. Then I take the next example. Second example, I take it the second example number 2, second kinematical equation. Which is the second kinematical equation? What? S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square, right? Taking dimension taking the dimensions, that is dimension of S is equal to dimension of ut. Half, this is the number, there is no dimension, that is the dimension of at square, right? Then dimension of S is the distance, that is L raised to 1, equation number 1. Dimension of ut, dimension of u is what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1 into dimension of t, that is a t raised to 1, which is the dimension L raised to 1 t raised to 0, that is only L raised to 1, equation number 2. Equation number 2. Third, dimension of at square is equal to, what is the dimension of A? A is the acceleration, L raised to 1 t raised to minus 2. What is the dimension of t square? That is the t square, right? That is total dimension of at square is equal to what? L raised to 1, right? This is the plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. This is the equation number 3. Student, equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Observe that equation number 1 and 2 and 3, the dimensions are correct. Therefore, the given equation is dimensionally correct. Dimensionally correct. Student, I take it the next example. Before that, complete this example. I take the next example. Example number 3. The third kinematical equation is given by, which is the third kinematical equation, that is v square is equal to u square plus twice as, right? Taking dimensions of both sides. The equation of dimension correct means what? Dimension of every, this term and this term are correct. Then what? The given equation is a dimensionally correct, right? First, dimension of v square is what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1 bracket square, that is what? L raised to 2 t raised to minus 2. This is the equation number 2, right? U square, this is the final initial velocity, again dimension is the same. This is the equation number 2. Dimension of AS, dimension of A means what? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 2 into dimension S means what? Distance, that is a L raised to 1, which is the total dimension here, that is L raised to 2 t raised to minus 2. This is the equation number 3, right? The equation number 1, 2 and 3, the equation number 1, 2 and 3, dimension of every term is same. Dimension of every term is the same. Therefore, the given equation is dimensionally correct. The given equation is dimensionally correct. Solve this student example. Third analysis of dimension, to find relation between related physical quantity बघूया एक तीन एक्झाम्पल याच्यावरचे आपण बघूया. Example number 1, the hydrostatic pressure किंवा pressure only, the hydrostatic pressure P which is depends upon its height h, its density d, and acceleration due to gravity g, acceleration due to gravity g. Acceleration due to gravity g. That is what pressure P is directly proportional to the HdG. Pressure P is directly proportional to what? HdG, right? That is what equal to, removing this proportional sign, that is P is equal to constant K into HdG. Constant K into HdG. Taking dimension on both sides, taking the dimension on both sides. Dimension of P means what? Pressure, that is L raised to 1, M raised to 1. What is the pressure? Formula of pressure is what? Force upon area, right? What is the dimension of force? L raised to 1, M raised to 1, T raised to minus 2, right? Divided by what? Area, dimension of area, that is L raised to 2 is equal to constant K. Dimension of K is the constant only. Dimension H as the distance, that is L raised to 1. Dimension of D, that is density. Density means what? Mass upon volume, that is M raised to 1 and L raised to minus 3. L raised to minus 3. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Dimension is the L raised to 1, T raised to minus 2. Right? This total dimension is what? M raised to 1, L raised to minus 1. Right? This plus 1 and this is the minus 2. T raised to minus 2 is equal to constant K into what? L raised to 1. This is the L raised to 1. This is what? L raised to 2. L raised to 2. M raised to M घेऊया पहिला. Use the first one, that is M. This is what? M raised to 1, L raised to 2, and T raised to minus L raised to this 2 and minus 3. L raised to 2 and minus 3. This is the minus 1 only. Remaining only minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. And this is the T raised to minus 2. Right? Means what? Pressure P, which depends. This is the dimension of pressure. This is the dimension. Right? Okay? Means what? In case of pressure which is depends upon, your use a coefficient, that is, I again explain student please, because I not denoted pressure is directly proportional to H raised to X. Means how many times, how many powers height is involved? D raised to Y. How many times density is involved? And G raised to Z. That is X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Taking the dimension again, I write direct dimension. M raised to 1, L raised to minus 1, T raised to minus 2, right? Constant K, which is the dimension of H, that is L raised to 1 raised to X, which is the dimension of D, that is L raised to 1, sorry, M raised to 1 and L raised to minus 3. M raised to 1, L raised to minus 3, bracket raised to Y, and dimension of G, that is L raised to 1, T raised to minus 2 raised to Z. म्हणजे आपण काय केलेलं आहे, हाईटचं डायमेन्शन लिहिलं, त्याचं किती प्रमाणात असावं ते तर एक्स प्रमाणात असावे. कशा प्रमाणात? एक्स प्रमाणात. राईट. डेन्सिटीचं डायमेन्शन लिहिलं ते किती प्रमाणात असावे? वाय प्रमाणात. दॅट इज वॉट m raised to 1, l raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 2 is equal to constant k. This is l raised to 1 into x, l raised to x here. This is m1 to y, that is m raised to y here, and l raised to minus 3y is equal to l raised to z, t raised to minus 2z, right? Again m raised to 1, l raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 2 is equal to k. L raised to this here, that is l raised to x plus z minus 3y. m represent y, right? M represent only y, and t represent what? T raised to minus 2z, right? Compare students this m and this m. This m power is 1 and this m power is y, that is y is equal, comparing powers, right? Comparing powers, the y represent 1, y represent what? 1, and minus 2 represent minus 2z, that is z is equal to 1 here. Z is equal to how many? Y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, and minus 1, this power of L is equal to what? X plus z minus 3y is equal to minus 1, right? But student, we know that y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1, that is x plus z is equal to 1 minus 3, y is equal to 1 minus 1 here, right? Minus 1, x minus 1 into 3 minus 3, this is minus 2 is equal to minus 1, right? That is x is equal to this minus 2 get this side, that is plus 2 minus 1, right? X is equal to plus 2 minus 1, that is x is equal to 1, x is equal to, then what? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 1, right? Put in 1, this is the equation number 1, student, right? This is 1. Pressure P is equal to constant K, h raised to x, that is 1, d raised to 1, and g raised to 1, okay? G raised to 1. Value of K is known, value of K is not known, the equation, final equation, this, okay? Student, complete the first example, and next I take it another example. Next example, that is kinetic energy, okay? Student, you are known the kinetic energy formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, right? Then example number 2, kinetic energy is depends upon its mass and velocity, that is what? Kinetic energy is directly proportional to its mass, m raised to x, and v raised to y. This value of mass power and value of v power is not known, and the find out these powers using a dimensional analysis. Kinetic energy depends upon what? M raised to mass and its velocity. Mass in times of x and velocity in times of v, right? That is kinetic energy is equal to what? K into m raised to x, v raised to y. Equation number 1. Taking dimension on both sides. Taking dimension on both sides. Therefore, dimension of kinetic energy is equal to dimension of K What is the dimension of mass? That is m raised to 1 raised to x. What is the dimension of velocity? L raised to 1 t raised to minus 1 raised to y, right? What is the dimension of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, potential energy and work done dimension is the same. M raised to 1, L raised to 2, t raised to minus 2, right? K into this m raised to 1 into x, m raised to x. This L raised to y, t raised to minus y, right? Again, m raised to 1, L raised to 2, t raised to minus 2 is equal to what? This is m raised to x, L raised to y, t raised to minus y. Comparing the powers, what? This x is equal to how many? 1. X is equal to how many? 1, right? Y is equal to how many? 2. Y is equal to how many? Minus y is equal to minus 2, right? That is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Put in 1. We get kinetic energy is equal to constant k. M raised to x, right? M raised to x, v raised to y. Kinetic energy is equal to constant k. M, x raised to x, value of x is 1, y value of y is 2. That is kinetic energy is equal to constant k into mv square. Value of constant is not known. The equation this here. But value of k is known, that is 1 by 2. That is kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, right? Alag equation तेच. Okay, student complete this type of example. One again more examples are taking in the exercise problem. Okay, I finished this some applications of dimension analysis. Order of magnitude. Next concept, student, is the order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. Student, what is mean by order of magnitude? बघा, what is the meaning of order of magnitude? Order of magnitude हा एक काय digit number system मधला concept आहे. काय आहे? Number system. In our number system, right, there is what? Some numbers is a very small numbers. Some numbers are very easily write down. For example, 340, 3000, 5000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, right? Means what? But some numbers is a very large number, very big numbers. Some numbers is a very small numbers. Some numbers is a very big number. म्हणजेच काय, काही नंबर हे फार लहान आहेत, काही नंबर हे फार मोठे आहेत, काही नंबर आपण सहजरित्या मांडू शकतोय, लिहू शकतोय. For example, student, mass of electron. What is the value of mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, right? Minus 31 kg means this number how to write here? 0.00031 0 present here, then represent 9.191, then represent 91. Then this system is not conveniently, not systematically, not easy, and the idea is overcome, known as the order of magnitude. What? Order of magnitude. Actually, definition of order of magnitude is what? The number which is written in power of 10 is known as order of magnitude, right? The number which is written in the power of 10 is known as the order of magnitude. Another definition is what? The number which is close to power of 10, close to power of 10 is known as order of magnitude, is known as order of magnitude. Student, you are right. 100 square is equal to 10 raised to, right? 100 right here 10 raised to 2. 1000 right here 10 raised to 3. 10 right here 10 raised to 1. And 1 right here 10 raised to 0. म्हणजे तुम्ही 100 कसं लिहिता 10 raised to 2 लिहिता, 1000 बद्दल तुम्ही 10 raised to 3 लिहिता. दिस इज द पॉवर सिरीज ऑफ 10. दिस इज द पॉवर सिरीज ऑफ 10. मग ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड लिहिताना नेमकं काय करायचं आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, मला नंबर काय करायचे 10च्या घातांकात लिहायचा आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 30 अंक मला ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड लिहायचं आहे 30चा. बघा मी काय करतो, एक घर सोडून दशांश येतो. ओके, गिव्ह टू द डेसिमल पॉईंट फॉर 1 डिजिट. ह्याला 10 मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे. काय करायला पाहिजे? 10 मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे. जर या डेसिमल पॉईंटच्या अलीकडचा अंक 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर या 10च्या घातांकात 1 वाढ करायची. काय करायची? 1 वाढ करायची. राईट. 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा आहे का? नाही. राईट. दॅट इज 10 raised to 1. मीन्स व्हॉट? 30चा ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड व्हॉट? 10. ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड काय सांगतं? तो नंबर एक 10च्या घातांकामध्ये कोणाला जवळ आहे. राईट. आय टेक इट नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल 70 घेऊया आपण. अगेन एक घर सोडून दशांश चिन्ह देऊया. 10 मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे. राईट. रूल काय? जर दशांश चिन्हाच्या अलीकडचा अंक 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर 10च्या घातांकात 1 वाढ करा. दॅट इज 10 raised to 1 plus 1. राईट. दिस इज ॲक्च्युली 1 आणि हा 5 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. दॅट इज 10 raised to 2. मग बघा 70 हे 100ला जवळ आहे की 10ला? दॅट इज 100ला. म्हणजेच काय? 70चा ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड 100. 70चा ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड 100. राईट. Write the student please first definition and this point and take it the some examples of related to the order of magnitude. बघूया एक्झाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन which is the value of mass of electron Me, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. राईट. आता याचा ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड लिहायचा आहे. दशांश चिन्हाच्या अलीकडचा अंक 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर 10च्या घातांकात 1 वाढ करायची. राईट. 10 raised to minus 31 plus 1, दॅट इज 10 raised to minus 30 kg. युनिट लिहायला विसरायचं नाही. ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड लिहिताना युनिट लिहायला विसरायचं नाही. ओके. व्हॉट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन? दॅट इज द 10 raised to minus 30 kg. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विच इज द चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 कुलाम. 10 raised to minus 19 कुलाम. दशांश चिन्हाच्या अलीकडचा अंक 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा आहे का? नाही. म्हणजेच काय? 10 raised to minus 19 कुलम. दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. what? Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, that is a G. Value of G is what? 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Right. This value, this is greater than 5. 10 raised to minus 11 plus 1, 10 raised to minus 10 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the order of magnitude of what? Gravitational constant G. Example number 4. Acceleration due to gravity. Value of G is what? Small g. 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second square. Right. This multiplied what with 1, that is 1 means what, 10 to 0. This greater than 1, 5, 0 plus 1, that is 10 to 1. That is म्हणून g ची किंमत कधी कधी 10 घेतली जाते. That is 10 to 1 meter per second square, right? Example number 5. Planck's constant h असं कन्सिडर करायचं. व्हॅल्यू इज 6.63 इंटू 10⁻34 जूल पर सेकंड. Order of magnitude, this number is what? Greater than 5, that is 10⁻34 plus 1, that is 10⁻33 joule per second. This is the order of magnitude, what? Planck constant h, right? Next, example number 6, that is mass of earth. 10th standard first topic, you already known that the mass of earth, value of mass of earth is the 6.10⁻24 kg, right? This is what? 6.0 into 10⁻24 kg, right? That is 10⁻24 plus 1, that is a 10⁻25 kg. This is the order of magnitude of mass of earth, right? Next example, that is a radius of earth. What? Radius of earth. Which is the radius of earth? R is equal to 6400 kilometer, right? This is the 6400 into 10⁻³ meter. हे सगळं रूपांतर मी मीटर मध्ये केलेलं आहे, right? That is equal to R is equal to 6.4 into 10⁻6 meter. हे 3 आणि हे 3, right? 10⁻6 meter. बघा हा अंक 5 किंवा 5 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, right? That is the 10⁻6 plus 1, that is the 10⁻7 meter. This is the order of magnitude of the radius of the earth, right? Student, I some again examples of order of magnitude taking the exercise of, okay? I stop this my lecture.